Larson Electronics has customizable light towers. Choose the lights for the masthead. Our towers can be manual crank masts to elevate the lights to your desired height. Electric winch for easier elevation, and pneumatic mast for smooth and quiet elevation. Add a generator for power. Check out our Mega Tower, the ultimate in stadium lighting. Leveling jacks stabilize the tower. Our Halo Mega Tower can be elevated with touchscreen controls or a wireless remote control. Over 1 million lumens of LED light. Let Larson Electronics light up your world with our customizable light towers. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.